Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Facebook with your account open. First, tap the menu icon on mobile or the profile arrow on desktop. This gives you access to settings and privacy. Once done, choose Settings and then Notifications. You're doing this because the Notifications panel centralizes every alert type, push, email, SMS, making it the one place to silence everything. So don't jump to individual posts. Go straight to Notifications to control global behavior quickly and reliably. You now scroll through the notification settings and open push notifications first. Toggle the main push switch off to stop banners, sounds, and lock screen alerts on your devices. Next, open email and SMS sections and disable those channels too. This prevents Facebook from emailing or texting you. You do this because disabling each channel ensures no stray alerts slip through. Once each channel reads off, Facebook won't push notifications to any of your devices, which is the only reliable. Finally, confirm the change by checking your device's OS notification settings. Make sure Facebook is allowed no banners or sounds. Then force close the app and restart it so the toggles apply immediately. If you still get alerts, make sure browser notifications and any linked apps aren't duplicating messages. Disable Facebook notifications in browser site settings too. This step completes the mute. If something goes wrong, double-check each channel and the device permissions. That combination is usually the culprit and fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.